Hi guys, welcome to the new episode of Sublimation product introduction video. I'm your old friend Vincent. This is my teammate Rachel.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Yeah, today we're going to show you about how to transfer this Sublimation journal with your personalized and unique design onto the surface of this notebook with a blink of an eye. So if you are interested in this video, you definitely don't want to miss it. So without further saying, let's get right into it. So have you ever thought about taking your artistic creation design out of the computer?
Today we are going to show you how to print the journal book blanks into a high definition one.
Yes, so beautiful it is. High quality comes from the cover. Our Sublimation notebook covers are available in two major materials. The first one is this one, the PU leather. You can print your personalized design onto the front of the side and the back side at the same time. And the other one is this one, the canvas material. You can spin it and take a look of it.
Our notebook uses premium materials. Each material is good in texture.
Look at this. Our Sublimation notebook are absolutely stupendous, especially the surface of the covers. As you can see, I slightly scratched the surface of the notebook. It is absolutely not easy to fade out, no matter the colors or the fabric. But also it is also very durable for using, especially if you are working on this office. It is absolutely a go-to item for your office environment. From meeting rooms to classrooms, it is an indispensable and perfect companion for office work and study.
So, how is such a beautiful Sublimation notebook printed?
Next, we will introduce the detailed printing process. First step is to make your personalized design on your computer. And the second step is to use your computer connected with your Sublimation printer, especially with your Sublimation inkjet paper, and print it out with your personalized design. In terms of the printing process, we have to prepare two essential materials to complete the job. The first one is the Sublimation blank notebook, and this one is the Sublimation inkjet paper with your personalized design. Next step, I'm going to use the high temperature resistant tape to secure this paper onto the surface of the blank in place. Now, what we got is this Sublimation notebook, and the next step is to put this Sublimation notebook onto the disposal of this flat iron machine. And look at me, what I'm doing right now is to put this, what we got, and under the disposal of this insulated cloth. And then with the temperature of around 180 degrees and the time is about 90 seconds. So it's time to witness the magic moment. Oh, it's time to witness the magic moment. Then let's open it and repeal the insulated cloth, and it's time to, wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, finally, I can't wait to check out what we finally got here. Oh, it's time to peel off the Sublimation paper. Wow, look at the color. It's so very stunning, and the vivid color has absolutely penetrated into the surface of the covers. So, and also this one you can see is very beautiful and light attractive. Welcome to our factory. As a leading manufacturer in the industry, we can easily handle large-scale production, large inventory, lightning fast shipping. We guarantee that all your orders can be shipped promptly.
Our company has 50 years of R&D experience. We can also provide customized service if needed. From special size to branded inner page, we offer a comprehensive one-stop service.
Our company has complete qualifications, and our products strictly comply with global safety and quality standards.
The company has passed international authoritative certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, BSCI, and SGS, thereby ensuring the long-term stability of our products.
So that is all for the video today. I hope you find that the video is so engaging and entertaining, and as well as it is really constructive and supportive to your sublimation business. Finally, I have a word to you that may life will be very gentle to you, and may that the happiness and want will be always standing by your side forever. I'm Vincent.
I'm Rachel.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.